Tabi-tabi na lang tayo. Ayan, okay. We stay here.
Yeah. Diyan. Okay.
Okay.
Good morning.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Mamayang alas 2 ng hapon, magkakaroon ng kauna-unahang pagdinig sa kaso ni dating Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ang mangyayari dito ay sasabihin lang siya kung ano yung kaso laban sa kanya, sisiguraduhin na naintindihan niya yung kaso niya at anong mga karapatan niya. Yun lamang. Now, may mga dahilan kami, pero susubukan namin ipaliban itong kauna-unahang pagdinig na ito. No? Pero itong dahilan namin ay pribadong ipararating sa mga mahistrado. Sa ngayon, ay iisa pa lang ang na-recognize na lawyer, si Attorney Medialdea, no? Dahil siya ngayong kasama. No? Pero we have filled up all the documents para mapasama din ako dun sa team of counsels. Now, I'm in the list counsel of the ICC, and we have also retained another member of the list counsel who is British. So initially, there will be 3 of us standing as counsels. The other one is Kaufman, Attorney Kaufman of the British Bar. So 2 of us from the list counsel and Attorney Medialdea. The Vice President, of course, is here as a member of the family, and she will be in the gallery to witness the first hearing. So, hindi ko po alam kung mapagbibigyan yung hinihingi namin na ipagpaliban, pero wala naman akong dahilan para naisip para hindi mapagbigyan yan kasi wala naman pupuntahan si Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Nariyan na siya sa kulungan dito sa Dahig. So, ipagpaliban nyo na ngayon kasi hindi pa namin nakikita ang dating Presidente. Buong araw, kahapon, hindi siya nakita dahil di umano siya ay binigyan ng medical examination. So ngayon pa lang, ang problema dito sa ICC ay daming papel bago mo makita. So we have just submitted the form to visit him para hindi naman kauna-unang beses makikita sila ni Vice President dito sa hukuman. Ako, I feel strongly that before the hearing, not only I should be able to have access to him as a member of the list counsel of the court, but the family should have access to him. So actually, ang priority ko is to make sure magkita muna silang mag-ama. Dahil hindi pa alam ni Presidente na nandito si Vice President. So, parang it's not proper naman na hindi alam ama na nandito. So I'm more or less attending on this first day of hearing, a family matter that I want them to see each other outside of the court first so they can have a private.
Attorney, what do you call the postponement? Is there a legal term for that?
Wala naman. It's the same. The procedure is similar to Philippine procedure. Ang difference lang is before it arraignment and before it goes to proper trial, meron tinatawag na confirmation of charges. And in the confirmation of charges, they will establish that there really is probable cause and that there really is jurisdiction. But I do not know if I can be registered in time for the hearing today. But in addition to the postponement, if I am recognized today, and I'm not sure yet, no, because we just did all the papers today, I will also bring the issue of the illegality of the arrest of the former president. That should lead to the court losing its jurisdiction. And I will be citing case law for the Constitutional Court of South Africa that an illegal arrest is sufficient to divest of the jurisdiction right by the Commission. In addition to the lack of jurisdiction, because we had withdrawn from our membership, and of course the preliminary investigation commenced beyond the date of the but of course, everything hinges on if I will be recognized today. But right now, we have to leave because we want to see the president before he is brought to court.
So just to be clear, sir, you said it has been sent privately already. Yung request to postpone this particular
No, exactly. It will have to be asked in the hearing
today.
Attorney Roque, paano po pag hindi po napagbigyan ang hiling na ito? Ano po ang next plan ninyo?
Ang mangyayari lang naman kung hindi mapagbibigyan is sasabihin lang kung ano yung charges, but it is not an arraignment. It is just to make sure he understands the nature of the charges against him, not an arraignment.
Saan niyo po ihahain yung postponement?
In court na, wala nang panahon kasi. Kasi alam niyo, itong notice came very late also. We had just arrived yesterday, and of course, nauna sila. VP came next evening of yesterday, and I came yesterday then. No? And Actually, yesterday we had no access to him because he was undergoing medical exam, no, and he was not here, no. And for a while, we were even alarmed where he was, but he was apparently subjected to medical examination. So it's only now. So pagbigyan na muna natin na magkita muna yung mag-ama. Okay? Can we do that?
Nasaan po si ES Medaldea ngayon?
I think he is in the detention facility.
He's with the...
We're going to the detention facility now. Please don't follow kasi hindi rin kayo magbigyan access to him. Ha? Okay?
Sir, may hinaling po.
Pangulo?
In English.
Like, what are your questions?
Okay. Yeah, I'm here with the Vice President of Public, the daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte.
Sorry, sir.
We will be attending the hearing. There's only been one lawyer recognized, who is Attorney Medaldea, who is the lawyer who flew with him to The Hague. We are entering our appearance. We do not know if our appearance will be recognized as of 2 o'clock today, but we will receive instructions.
Is that true?
As I announced earlier, we'll do the Q&A later.
Hindi po kayo kasama. Okay.
We'll do the Q&A later.
Meron pong bang time, ma'am, yung ano?
JC will give you details.
Okay.
I promise you. We'll just need to do the paperwork that everyone from inside is asking from us.
Ingat po, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sir Harry, thank you po. Sir Harry, thank you po.
So sino-sino mga kasama natin sa The Hague?
Ako po.
Si Zen is from ABS.
Kami po, ako, hindi pa niya pwede, GMA and
Betchem, Ho.
JV.
Alam niyo ang mga numbers ko, ano?
Yes po, alam po.
WhatsApp tayo. WhatsApp tayo.
Apo,
WhatsApp, ha?
apo.
Okay.
form a group para
Apo.
Oh, sige, ikaw nang gumawa. Kayo nang gumawa, ha?
Apo.
Kayo nang gumawa.
Ate, lang mo na number.
nagpalit ng number.
Hindi. But let's do WhatsApp kasi Viber hindi masyado maganda rito eh. WhatsApp talaga.
Oh, sige, sige.
Ha? Okay, WhatsApp group.
ang Viber.
Okay. SMNI!
Ang sagutan ni Senator Rafi